Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nut milk makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Flenano 50-ounce nut milk maker. With its impressive 10-in-1 functionality, this machine is all about versatility, allowing you to make everything from nut milk and soy milk to chowder and juice. The standout feature here is the 20-blade 3D stainless steel cutter, which delivers ultra-smooth textures without the need for additional filtering. Its 50-ounce capacity is perfect for larger families, making up to 6 cups of milk in one go. The design is robust, with a mix of stainless steel and borosilicate glass that gives it a premium feel. The intuitive screen is easy to use, and the one-touch start simplifies operation. However, at 13.97 inches tall, it may take up a bit more counter space. Performance-wise, the powerful motor and advanced blade design ensure silky smooth drinks every time. But the noise level can be slightly higher compared to others on this list. Priced at $79.99, it offers excellent value for families who want a multitasking machine. However, the larger size and slightly elevated noise level might not appeal to everyone. If you're looking for a versatile, high-capacity option, the Flenano is a solid contender. At number 4, we have the DFJ-KJUU Automatic Nut Milk Maker. This premium option boasts 8-in-1 functionality and a generous 40-ounce capacity, making it great for families or frequent users. Its standout feature is the 12-blade stainless steel cutter, which produces exceptionally smooth milk with minimal grit. The machine also includes a room temp function, perfect for chilled nut milk, and an automatic self-cleaning mode that simplifies maintenance. The DFJ-KJUU is elegant in design, with a beige glass exterior that complements modern kitchens. Despite its powerful motor, it operates at a low noise level, making it less intrusive during use. The 12-hour timer and keep warm features add to its convenience, but at nearly $112, it's the most expensive option on this list. While it offers premium features and excellent performance, its price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. This is a fantastic choice for those who prioritize high-quality results and a hassle-free experience. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, other models may suit your needs better. Taking the third spot is the Kitlay 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker Blender. This machine offers solid versatility with 8 preset functions, allowing you to make plant-based milk, rice paste, and even boiled water. Its 32-ounce capacity is perfect for individuals or small families. One of its standout features is the 2-hour heat preservation mode, which ensures your drinks stay warm for longer, a rare feature at this price point. The design is sleek and compact, making it a great countertop addition for smaller kitchens. It includes comprehensive accessories like a nut milk bag, cleaning brush, and a recipe book, which adds extra value. Performance-wise, the Kitlay delivers smooth results, but its single-speed operation may not be as customizable as higher-end models. Priced at $69.99, it sits comfortably below the average price point for nut milk makers, offering great value for its features. The Kitlay is ideal for those who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. However, its smaller capacity and fewer customization options might not suit larger households or advanced users. At number 2, we have the Myra 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. This machine combines versatility and convenience, featuring functions for making almond milk, soy milk, smoothies, and more. Its 35-ounce capacity strikes a good balance for medium-sized households. The Myra also skips the soaking step, saving you time while delivering smooth, high-quality results, thanks to its 8-blade stainless steel design. Its modern black design and LED screen give it a sleek, high-tech vibe. The screen makes it easy to track time and temperature settings, while features like a 6-hour keep warm mode and 18-hour delay start add to its practicality. Performance-wise, it's a powerhouse, but at nearly $90, it's on the pricier side. It also requires manual cleaning for some components, which could be a downside for users seeking a fully automated experience. The Myra is perfect for those who want a mid-range machine with premium features. While its price might be a touch higher than average, the functionality and modern design make it a worthy investment for plant-based milk enthusiasts. Finally, taking the top spot is the Hullman 35-ounce nut milk maker. This budget-friendly option is packed with features, including 8 automatic programs for almond milk, oat milk, soups, and more. It boasts a 60-second self-cleaning mode, a huge convenience for daily use, and a quiet operation at just 65 dB. Perfect for early mornings or late-night prep. The 18-hour delay start and 6-hour keep warm settings give you incredible flexibility to fit your schedule. The design features a BPA-free glass pitcher and food-grade stainless steel blades, ensuring safety and durability. At just $39.99, it's the most affordable option on the list, making it an exceptional value for beginners or those on a budget. While it lacks some advanced features like multiple speed settings or a larger capacity, it still delivers silky smooth nut milk and other beverages with ease. The Hullman is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on essential features. It's simple, efficient, and versatile, earning its well-deserved spot as our #1 pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.